Prime Minister Narendra Modi formally inaugurated the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention at Indore in Madhya Pradesh today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had a telephonic conversation with Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami yesterday over the situation in Joshimath town. Northern part of the country are experiencing severe cold wave and dense fog conditions. Heavy to very heavy fog has been observed in various parts of Punjab, Delhi, Haryana, Chandigarh, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Indian squash champion Anahat Singh clinched the girls under-15 title at the most prestigious British Junior Open tournament in Birmingham. Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal has appealed to the Indian diaspora in the United States to participate in the Big India opportunity.